Good health is a result of consistent healthy habits. What we do every single day is what determines our lives, so small good habits each day can make huge difference and lead us to a healthier life. It's hard to break bad habits as our habits develop over a long period of times. But when it comes to building healthy habits, small decisions can improve our physical and emotional health. Today we are going to talk about 10 habits to have a healthy lifestyle. Number 1 is drink water. Staying hydrated is at the top of the list. It's a great habit, and is pretty easy to develop. You must drink a glass of water as you wake up in the morning because when you wake up you are mildly dehydrated. It increases your fatigue level. When you drink water it energizes you, cleanse your digestive system and prepare you to start your day. It's very important to have at least 8 glasses of water every day because drinking less water can lead to dehydration, which cause unclear thinking, result in mood change, cause your body to overheat, and lead to constipation and kidney stones. Water has no calories, so it can also help with managing body weight and reducing calorie intake when substituted for drinks with calories, such as sweet tea or regular soda. Number 2. Don't skip breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It kickstarts your metabolism, help you burn calories throughout the day. It also gives you the energy you need to get things done and helps you focus at work or at school. Research shows that people who have breakfast tend to take in more vitamins and minerals and less fat and cholesterol. Eating things that are high in fiber and proteins keeps you feeling full and energized. These include whole grain cereals and breads, low-fat milk, fruits, and yogurt. People who skip the AM meal because they're rushing to get out the door. That's a mistake. You need food in your system long before lunchtime. If you don't eat first thing, you may get so hungry later on that you snack on high-fat, high-sugar foods and will cause you gain weight. Number 3. Walk. Daily walk is so healthy and totally underestimated. It's actually one of the easiest and healthiest things you can do. It is a great way to improve or maintain your overall health. Just 30 minutes walk every day can increase cardiovascular fitness, strengthen bones, reduce excess body fat, and boost muscle power and endurance. It can also reduce your risk of developing conditions such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, osteoporosis, and some cancers. Unlike some other forms of exercise, walking is free and doesn't require any special equipment or training. Number 4. Pick enjoyable physical activities. To keep healthy, we need to be active every day in as many ways as we can. Regular physical activity isn't just important for our physical health, but for our social and emotional health too. Being active in small ways throughout the day can make a big difference. Short bouts of 10 minutes can be beneficial when they add up to 30 minutes on most days of the week. You can also plan physical activity by doing things such as going to the gym or playing sports such as soccer, basketball, tennis, cycling, etc. Make a habit of walking or cycling instead of using the car, or do things yourself instead of using labor-saving machines. The human body was designed to move, but the technology of today has reduced much of the opportunity for human movement. So everyday activities provide an opportunity to be active and provide health benefits. Number 5. Spend more time with your loved ones. Nothing can replace the time you spend with your friends and family. Just spending a little time with loved ones shows how important they are to you. Spending time with your loved ones can boost your happiness and reduce stress. Making regular contact is a big part of being mentally well. If you don't know where to start, consider starting small, dinner at the table or a board game in the evening. If games aren't your family's idea of a good time, try outside activities, perhaps a walk to the park. Number 6. Make a to-do list. You've got plenty of things to do each day, and somehow, a few of them always seem to slip your mind. This can help you stay organized and allow you to manage your time. Jotting down essential tasks like returning overdue library books, revising your project outline, or picking up ingredients for dinner, making a list in the morning can help you keep track of everything you need to handle at home or at work. It serves another purpose, too. It helps you prioritize your responsibilities and gives you a clearer idea of what items are better suited for tomorrow's to-do list, keeping your workload more manageable and reducing feelings of overwhelm. To-do lists also come with a built-in bonus. Writing down a task gives you a paper or electronic reminder, so you don't have to keep reminding yourself to take care of it. Number 7. Take an exercise break. Don't just grab another cup of coffee, get up and move. You don't have to get to the gym or pay for a membership to get a workout in. Do some deep lunges, stretches, squats, jumping jacks, planks or other bodyweight exercises at home for 20 minutes a few times per week. It's great for your body and mind. 1 hour of exercise per week is 0.5% of your entire week. If you have stairs at your home or office, take them every chance you get. For a strong cardio workout, walk up and down the stairs repeatedly. Start with a limited number of repetitions and then increase them as you feel stronger. Daily exercise improves your mood and decreases feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress, controls weight, boosts energy, promotes better sleep. Number 8. Read every day. Reading books daily is very important to you because it helps to expand your mind and give you more ideas. Reading has both physical and mental health benefits, and these benefits can last for a lifetime. When we read, it gives us the freedom to move around in space, time, and history, and gives us a deeper perspective on ideas, concepts, feelings, and knowledge. Spending 30 minutes a day reading a good book can increase overall brain function, makes you positive, helps protect memory and improve thinking skills, especially as you get older. Number 9. Have balanced diet. Practice healthy eating throughout the day. A healthy lifestyle can be attained by maintaining a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a vital part of maintaining good health and help you to feel your best. A balanced diet supplies the fuel your body needs to work effectively. A proper meal plan helps to attain ideal body weight and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular and other types of cancer. Balanced diet means your body gets the right nutrition, choosing a variety of foods from the different food groups, specifically vegetables and fruits, protein, meat, fish, eggs, beans, soy, dairy, low-fat milk, cheese, yogurt, carbohydrates, starchy foods like rice, pasta, potatoes and bread, preferably whole grain or whole wheat varieties. One of the best ways to put together a well-balanced plate is actually by observing the variety of colors before you. Filling your dish with greens and reds and yellows will help you craft a nuts. Avoid sugary drinks and foods with added saturated fat like processed meats, chips, pastries, and pies. Drink plenty of water to keep hydrated and to help your body function better. In short, your body needs nutrients to stay healthy, and food supplies essential nutrients that stop you from getting sick. Number 10. Get a good night's sleep. We're all guilty of staying up too late binge-watching Netflix. But if you want to commit to a healthier lifestyle, sleep has got to be one of your top priorities. If you're serious about getting healthier and losing a little weight, skip the late-night television and get some sleep already. We all know the most common effects caused by the lack of sleep: drowsiness, fatigue, lack of focus, and forgetfulness. But the consequences of sleep deprivation may go far beyond the well-known, and have possibly long-lasting effects on your brain. To avoid this potential threat, develop the habit of getting a solid 7 to 9 hours of sleep. If you're having trouble dozing off, keep your bedtime routine free of TV, laptop, cell phone, and other devices, and give your brain some genuine downtime. So remember that building new healthy habits can take some time, and it's okay to treat yourself to avoid feeling deprived, it's said. Stay focused on your goal, and if you slip along the way, just start again.